Okay, so here's the secret cake pan, which is kind of cool because you can bake it separately, and then you bake this and it makes these little wells in your cake. And then you can put like sprinkles or chocolate chips or nuts or coconut or all sorts of different things in there as a surprise. And so it comes with these two pans that look like daisies, which Jessica was very excited about. She likes daisies. And they're in the pretty blue. So you can go like that. Maybe like that. I don't know, I'll have to learn. Then you can spin it and decorate it. Woo! Okay. What else we got? I'm going to take it out and check it, make sure it's not broken because it's a gift. I got a stoneware loaf pan for somebody that's been baking bread here lately. I thought that'd be really cool. Comes a little scraper. I also got that bench and scrape set to go with it, the bowl stick. That's cool. And then when you have a party that qualifies, you can pick things out for half off. So some of the items were half off. This is one of the items were half off. And I actually called my cousin up and I said, hey, you want to buy something at half off? And she said, yes, she did. So we won't open it, but it is the electric pop and stir. So she's going to make all sorts of glazed and sugared nuts and popcorns and all sorts of yummy things. And I hope she invites me over to eat them all. So maybe we'll take a picture of everything all stacked up pretty because it's kind of a mess right now. But that's what the prizes look like from a $1,035 party, which is really exciting. So thanks everybody for ordering.